Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to recover your Roblox account without an email or a phone number. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and tap Login. On the login page, enter your username. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password or Username. It will first ask for your email, but you'll also see the option to use your phone number. If a number is linked, choose your country, enter your phone number, and tap Submit. If you haven't linked an email or phone number, scroll to the bottom of the Roblox page and tap Help. On the Help page, go to Roblox Account and choose I Forgot My Password. Scroll to the Still Having Trouble section and tap the link to contact customer support. On the support form, enter your date of birth, username, first name, and a working email. Choose your platform, for example, PC. Then, select the issue type as Account Hacked or Can't Log In, followed by Forgot Password. Explain that you don't have access to an email or phone number. Roblox will contact you with further steps. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.